Hi folks, welcome back. So today I've got another awesome free little tool for you. For those of you that's got a website and you're planning on putting the terms and conditions on your website, I've got a tool that'll generate that for you in just a few clicks of a button. So we'll get onto that in a minute. So for those of you that haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel for any future videos that I've got coming out. Give it a like, and if you've got any questions at the end of the video, just drop them in the comments box below. So we'll go straight over to the tool that I found and we'll get you started straight away. Okay, so here we are where you will find your free tool to produce your terms and conditions in just a few clicks of a button. So it's h-supertools.com. I'll leave a link below this video so you can access it in the description. Okay, so once you land on the website, you need to head over to the Web Tools tab here. Just click on there and the little drop down box appears. So click on the Terms and Conditions Generator and this page pops up here. So all you've got to do is input your website name and your website URL. So for this example, I'm going to use my website. So I'll just input that in there now. So that's the name of my website. I'll just put the URL in there. bloggingBizOnline.com. So once you've inputted your website name and your URL, you simply click the Generate Terms page. And there you have it. You now have your HTML version just here. And you also have your text version just here. And this all revolves around your website that you've inputted. So all you can do is just copy that and paste it into your website. I'll just show you what it looks like on my text document. There you go. Full terms and conditions for your website in just one click of a button. Okie dokie, so there you have it. You're now able to produce your own terms and conditions for your own website in just a few clicks of a button with that awesome free tool. So if you want to sign up for any more future videos I've got coming out in the future, just subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments box below. So until my next video, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.